Ancestral wisdom can be revealed through Nsibidi symbols. Let us look at the symbol Ma, no. It combines the symbol Isi, head, with the symbol Anwụ, sun. The head, which contains the brain and or the mind, is represented by a body with two parallel lines at the top, which represent two layers of awareness. The mind that sees the physical, perception, and the mind that sees the invisible, intuition. Anwụ, however, looks like a flashlight with a stem and 3 rays shining out. The number 3 is important, but to explain it is not for this video. We have explained the significance of the number 3 in our Igbo numerology for beginners video. For now, we see the symbol of Anwụ starting from a single source, which is Chukwu. It hits a barrier like a prism, and its rays spread out to illuminate. Agwụ, which is its spiritual corollary, likewise connects the human mind to a broader spiritual connectedness. Just as the rays of the sun are but a small dose from an abundant source, knowledge is a drop of water from a limitless well. And although the light from Anwụ may reveal the truth to you, onye ọbụla were different Agwụ, just like anya onye bụ oke ya. Two people can see the same truth and their destiny will still be different. One will see trash, where another will see the potential for treasure. It is only through enlightenment that one comes to know the truth. So while light reveals so that what is hidden can be named, to truly know, there must be a sacred meeting between the head that is prepared and the revealing light. You see, to know is to understand the revelation of the universal mind, Agwụ, which is Anwụ, using the mind and the body. Isi stands under the rays of Anwụ to show that knowing cannot come without understanding. In the comments below, tell us what you liked about this video and leave a suggestion for which Nsibidi symbol we should break down next. God dinner.